What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. We got some big stuff going on here in Shiba Inu. So yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send some PayPal donations through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Now, let's get straight to Shiba Inu here. The bulls are in control of the 24-hour market control of Shiba Inu by 60%. So it's 60% bullish right now. As you can see right here, yes, Shiba Inu broke out of these two consolidation areas into negative trend lines. Yes, it did that. Yes, it did that. I know. But anyways, look, the second we went down and we hit this green area, which is our supply and demand, showing that we have heavy demand with Shiba Inu, almost like Dogecoin here. But with Shiba Inu, we had heavy demand here at these green supply and demand areas. We had this chance of reversal, sending us straight into an uptrend here, going all the way up here. But then we hit the red area of supply and demand, showing that there's not enough demand. So Shiba Inu is stuck between these two channels, which could be a bullish pattern, showing that, look, we are consolidating, or it could also mean that we're consolidating to the downside. So it could literally be either one right now. But I'm going to show you something right now about why Shiba Inu has potential for the future. We're going to go over a lot of stuff with Shiba Inu because the short term does not matter to me. I care about long term. I care about the long-term rise of Shiba Inu. I don't care about the short-term downtrends. I don't care about these retracement periods, because that's all these are. It's retracement periods. We pumped huge with Shiba Inu previously. So it's just inevitable that we go down on a retracement period after we did such a huge pump. But anyways, let's go over that. Now you can see a little bit of overbought areas for Shiba Inu and all this overselling here. And now you can see with the oscillator here, you can see that Shiba is forming a little bit of a bearish little form right here, showing that we are on a little bit of a downtrend here currently. But we're going to go over stuff with Shiba Inu right here, and I'm going to explain to you why I believe Shiba Inu is doing very good and is not going anywhere. Shiba Inu is going to continue to take off, as long with crypto in general. Crypto in general is going to continue to stick around, and I'm going to show you reasons why I believe that. So Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. Let's go down here for the day ahead of Shiba Inu. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu would need to avoid a fallback through the 2450 pivot, which is the 0.00000 or 0.0002540. And next time I'll just say the number like 2540, 2740, just to make it easier. But yeah, Shiba Inu would need to avoid a fallback through the 2540 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at 2740. So we got to avoid 2540 in order to get up to 2740. So right now you can see we're at 2567. 2740 would bring us right here into this red supply and demand area, showing that there's less demand for Shiba Inu. So I'm going to show that right now. Now, support from the broader market would be needed, however, the Shiba Inu to break back through 27-cent levels. Now we have support for the broader market. As you can see here, Shiba Inu ranked 18 now, 4.2% in the last 24 hours, only down 5.9% in the last 7 days. So we're still doing fairly well. But yeah, we have support from the broader market. You know, Bitcoin's up 12% for the last 7 days. Bitcoin at $60,000, 60.9K. Bitcoin almost at where it was before we had our drops previously. So we're doing pretty good here inside of crypto in general. So we have support from the broader markets. So bearing an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Friday's high of 2756 would likely cap the upside. In the event of another breakout, Shiba Inu could test resistance at the 30 levels pulling our levels before any pullback. So yeah, the second major resistance would be our 29.6 level, and Shiba Inu would need plenty of support, however, to break on the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of 28.31. So yeah, in order for us to get past 28.31, we need really like a lot of support from like the whole Shib army. Like Shib army has to hold, Shib army has to buy for this to keep going on. So a fallback through the 2540 pivot would bring the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of 2387 and the first major support at 2320. So yeah, if we can't stay above 2540, they're saying eventually we'll hit 2387 and 2320. But like I said, this is short term. This is short-term turmoil. This is short-term downtrends here. I'm not worried about any of this right now. We're at 2560, and it does look like we're actually about to break the what level was that again? The 2540 level. So if we break the 2540 level, I'm not worried at all. And that's why I'm telling you all, like, I'm not worried. I'm not a financial advisor either. None of this financial advice. But me personally, I'm here for the long run. I'm not here for the short term. But yeah, let's continue to move on here. Bearing an extended sell-off, however, Shiba Inu should avoid sub 22 levels. The second major support level at 2011. All right, yeah, 2011. So yeah, first major support level at 23.2 and then the pivot level at 0.000254. So we got to stay above this pivot level. Now, our second daily technical analysis here. After 2 days of heavy losses, Shiba Inu is on the move early this morning. Shiba doing some big stuff. As you can see over here, Shiba slid 8% Friday, and then a mixed start to the day. So Shiba at 23. And then for our day ahead, they pretty much have the same technical analysis as Yahoo Finance. FX Empire and Yahoo Finance at the same 2540 pivot level, the same 2740 resistance. And yeah, it's pretty much the same levels, the same 0.00030 resistance for the major resistance, and then the next major resistance at 29.96. Pretty much the same levels over here, same support levels 23.2, same pivot level 25.4, same major resistance level 27.40, and so on. So now we got more stuff here. This is more about the broader crypto market. So I actually really wanted to mention this. So Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell announced that there are no plans to ban cryptocurrency in the United States, and prices soared 10%. That's why Bitcoin and everything's going crazy, because they have no plans on banning crypto, because they know how much they can tax it. They know how much money is there to be made off of crypto. And they know if they can regulate it, they can have even more control over currencies. Not as much control as just fiat, but they know they can still control crypto to an extent if they tax it at certain rates and if they regulate it at certain rates. And if they let everything keep going, they know they can have some control over the people, and they also know they can have control over finances, and they can actually make money off of the taxes. And that's really what the government cares about. They care about control, they care about money, and that's how things work. It's not like I'm throwing shade on them. It's how the world works. The world, money makes the world go around. Power makes the world go around. Money and power. That's what everything is about in this world. So I'm not blaming them there for that. I want money as well. I want power as well. It's what we all want inside of life. So yeah, this is definitely something very good for crypto. The fact that they're not looking to ban crypto, and they're just looking to add little regulations. It's actually good for crypto to be regulated, because if it wasn't regulated, it would be banned. So just know, if the government does not regulate crypto, they are going to ban it. And if they regulate it, they won't ban it, because then they can tax it at certain rates. So it's definitely a good thing for crypto to be regulated to some extent. So to some extent, not a huge extent, But anyways, we're doing pretty good inside Shiba Inu overall. We're up 3.9% in the last 25 hours. Shiba Inu had a huge rally, so you can't expect Shiba Inu to just rally 24/7. It always has to have this retracement period. Every crypto needs a retracement period. So yesterday we had 731,750 people inside Shiba Inu. Today, we have 733,392 people in Shiba Inu. Then when we hit the refresh button, we have 733,470 people in Shiba Inu. Almost 100 people just now invested in Shiba Inu in like the last 10 minutes. Big stuff right there. And not only that, now you can get Shiba Inu at literal physical ATMs. Literally, you can now buy Shib in ATMs. How cool is that? That's cool. That's very cool. Now you can buy Shiba Inu inside ATMs now. You could buy and sell Shib in all 4,000 plus CoinCloud DCM locations. So CoinCloud, they own these ATMs all around, and now you can buy Shiba Inu at their ATMs. So this is pretty big stuff right here. So shout out to them for doing this. I mean, this is pretty big stuff right here inside the United States and Brazil. Shout out to all of my Brazilian Shibarmy people out there. We love y'all. I'm definitely trying to get a trip out to Brazil. I got my passport ready to go out to Brazil right now, or whenever I can. But anyways, shout out to all the crypto people out there inside Brazil, in the US, and all over the world, really. So anyways, big stuff going on right now. People are talking about Robinhood and Shiba Inu. This article was actually made today around 2 a.m. And they said 250,000 traders signed petition to add Shiba Inu on Robinhood. As you can see here, we now have 250,621 people on the Robinhood petition. This is real. We are literally going to get added to Robinhood. This is going to send Shiba Inu to the moon, all the way to the moon. This is about to be huge for Shiba Inu. This is about to be literally biggest thing since Coinbase for Shiba Inu. This is really big for Shiba Inu. So yeah, now they say the petition is leading Shib all the way up. Anyways, a staggering 62% of Robinhood's second quarter cryptocurrency money came from crypto revenue. And over here, a strong retail user base that is with the Shiba Army. Shiba Army has a strong retail user base. So does Robinhood. So we're doing pretty good here. I just want to see this happen. So let's make this happen, Shiba Army. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling you all to dump your money into Shib. Definitely don't do that. Just allocate a little bit of your, if you want to allocate a little bit of your money into Shib. I'm not telling you to allocate any of your money into Shib. I'm saying if you want to do it, you could possibly do it if you want. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Do what you want and do what you see fits best. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a PayPal donation link through the description or a Cash App donation link. They will all be greatly appreciated. And if you want these trading indicators, automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.